Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all 3 healthy and easy toast recipes for breakfast. The first recipe is veggies on toast. This is so easy and barely takes any time to make. And here I am slicing up some cucumbers and tomatoes. Then I'm brushing up a slice of bread with olive oil and getting it nice and toasty. And lightly spreading some cream cheese on top of the freshly toasted bread, and then placing the sliced up tomatoes and cucumber on it. Then I just sprinkle some black pepper over it, giving it a taste test. It is so fresh and yum, perfect for a light breakfast. This next recipe is mushroom on toast. This takes a little bit more time than the previous one, but it makes it a best option for Sunday breakfast, brunch, or lunch. Just slice up some mushrooms, garlic, and coriander. Heat up oil in a pan and toss in those mushrooms. And I have added some sea salt to it. After they release all the water, then I add garlic so that its flavor stays strong. And also have sprinkled some black pepper. Then I've added about 2-3 tablespoons of coconut cream and milk mixed together. And this makes this recipe not just vegetarian but vegan as well. I like my mushrooms to be really soft and soggy, so I cook them up a little longer. If you want them plumped, add in the cream and milk way before and cook it less. When it starts getting dry, add in the coriander, mix it together and top it on warm toasted bread. And I'm sprinkling some more coriander for garnish. This is not at all difficult to make and it tastes amazing. This one's for all of y'all who have a sweet tooth. It's banana toast and it's very easy to make. I'm slicing up some banana and then spreading some peanut butter on toast. You can use almond butter or any other nut butter of your choice. Then I'm placing the sliced up bananas on toast, really trying to squeeze them in there. Drizzling over some honey on top for more sweetness. You can totally skip it, and sprinkling over some coarsely crushed flaxseed to get some omega-3 fatty acid in. These are sweet, healthy, and easy to make. You can also have it as dessert. Do try all of these 3 recipes. Anyone can make them. It's that simple and all are super yum. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Peace out.